Hi guys, your girl Ruth again. Yeah, today I'm gonna try something different. I need some shampoo and I need some lotion. So I put in this blender, I put in onion, strawberries, avocado, cucumbers, pears oil. I made some pears oil. I made some sunflower oil, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and watermelon. I didn't put my rice water this time, all the oranges. I want to try this. And I'm going to add my other oils in it as well. So this is the shampoo and the lotion I'm doing today. And we'll see how it turn out. Put, I know y'all want to hear all that noise, but I'm just going to, this for a few seconds. Ooh. Okay, that's the apple cider vinegar. So I'm hoping that gets some damage from itching in my head, which I haven't been really itching that bad, so I'm glad about that because I've been putting good stuff in my head. But it's time to wash it today. So let's see. I gotta have it with me some kind of thing to hold my camera. I'm trying to get better, y'all. Practice make perfect, right? I know it might not be excellent videos, but trying to show y'all what I do. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put some Epsom salt. That Epsom salt, they have that magnesium in it. I'm trying to get everything that, you know, that has a, really have the nutrients, vitamins, you know, everything we need for our hair. I can stick it in through here, I guess. And our bodies that's healthy, that can help through external. Because I believe whatever you put external goes inside, internal, right? So that make a big difference. It goes into your pores, and it helps also. So it's important what you put outside of your body as well as the inside. So yeah, let's try this. And like I said, it's my old ingredients, my new ingredients, y'all. So I'll be on my next video, show y'all the results, because I got to strain it and all that kind of stuff. And I add my oils and everything. And then I'll be back to let y'all know how it goes. Alright, thanks y'all. Bye.